Double directional positioning mobile sealed knife valve. The double directional positioning mobile sealed knife valve, developed by our company, is widely used in such fields as paper pulp, paper making, petroleum, chemical engineering, coal, power plant, and water treatment. 1. Double directional positioning means the knife valve moves at a fixed line during the switch process. The common switch knife valve will not be deformed so that it greatly reduces the friction force and lengthens the service life. 2. Mobile sealed knife valve seat has a hidden wave spring force pressing cone-shaped valve seat gasket ring, which forms the elastic sealing mold between the valve seat sealing ring and the knife valve. As the pressure difference increases, the cone-shaped valve seat seal ring products effectiveness, and the gap between the valve seat and the knife valve becomes smaller, so that the sealing property is promoted. Flashboard material adopts a stainless steel 2CR13 or abrasion-resistant steel plating hard chrome treatment, so that the flashboard surface becomes harder and more abrasion-resistant. Valve seat material, metal seat hard alloy, PTFE or EPEM valve seat. 3. Flashboard bottom positioning valve seat is designed into a semicircle sawtooth positioning seat, so that the upper valve seat and the bottom positioning valve seat can firmly stick to the board surface during the flashboard switch movement. Besides, the process media will not penetrate into the valve, keep the inner valve clean, and greatly promote the valve service life. The bottom valve seat is designed into a semicircle sawtooth shape in order to avoid locking the waists and act as cutting function. Therefore, the valve is most suitable to be used at waste emission. 4. The precision parallel design of flashboard, fitting screw cover, fitting groove, and filling reduces the friction force during the flashboard switch movement and makes it move smoothly and freely. The fitting box has extremely good sealing property. 5. Double-acting linear motion pneumatic actuator. The cylinder barrel is made by grinding high-quality steel, and the inner wall of the cylinder barrel adopts hard chrome plating treatment. Piston ring adopts two gas-filled white-type rings. Piston rod adopts hard steel grinding chrome plating treatment. Piston rod shaft seal adopts inner gas-filled seal mold. Gas-filled seal components can produce compensating action under the circumstances of little erosion, and greatly promote the cylinder's service life. 6. The connection between the cylinder and the valve gate adopts a U-shaped cold rolling forming steel. Therefore, it is firmer and convenient for the installation of limit switch and wire connection branch box, inspection, and maintenance. 7. Double directional positional mobile sealed knife valve can be used as pneumatic switch valve, pneumatic regulating valve, and electrical regulating valve.